The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is the most impressive middle-child handset we've ever tested, and most likely the best pound-for-pound S20 phone, period. It's a powerhouse that packs the best perks of its siblings, and strikes the perfect balance between them. If you are interested in buying the Galaxy S20 Plus, or the BTS edition, you can find the links down in the description below. That is, it's got a bigger display and more battery life than the Samsung Galaxy S20, but it's not quite as large and pricey as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you want affordability, or the best of the best, go with one of the other two. However, we predict that for most folks the S20 Plus will hit the sweet spot. Leaving the Ultra Premium Ultra aside, this is also the year's first big 5G phone, and one that operates on both the mmWave and sub-6 frequencies. Crucially, the standard S20 only works on sub-6, which means some US carriers won't even sell that phone. In turn, that means the S20 Plus will be their most affordable S20 model. Add to the mix some truly stellar cameras featuring amped-up zoom and top-tier specs, and the S20 Plus earns its place as the best of the S20 trio. The phone isn't perfect. There are plenty of nitpicks that we'll get into further videos, but it's a great all-around choice with the best of this year's top features, though you'll have to pay to get them. Yes, the S20 Plus has gotten a price bump over last year's Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, presumably due to the added 5G compatibility. It pushes the phone to new heights of flagship prices, which is frustrating, especially given the limited availability of the cheaper 4G model. But if the S20 Plus pushes up the price ceiling, at least it does so as one of the best phones on the market. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is a nearly perfect smartphone that connects to more 5G networks, and has better cameras than ever, though you'll be paying for the privilege, as this is the priciest Plus smartphone yet. If you don't mind ho-hum design, the phone handles anything you throw at it, and should last you years, especially assuming 5G networks stay compatible with the S20 Plus as they build out. But the best version of this phone is the BTS version, which is directed to all the fans that are serious about their BTS support. The exclusive Galaxy S20 Plus 5G BTS edition. The smartphone that breaks all the rules unites with the global phenomenon that's changing the world. Get ready for the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G and Buds Plus BTS edition, designed exclusively for BTS's devoted fanbase. BTS, Inside and Out. Symbolizing love and unity, the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G BTS edition is coated in a dreamy haze purple. But beauty isn't only skin deep, so we infused BTS imagery and spirit right into the heart of this limited edition device. Complete with live wallpaper, an inspiring lock screen and more, BTS fans will not want to miss out on this one-of-a-kind collaboration. Show your BTS pride and listen to your favorite BTS hits with matching solid purple Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition. With premium sound by AKG delivering superb dynamic range and exceptional sound accuracy, your favorite band has never sounded this good. By purchasing the BTS version, you will get 6 months of unlimited listening with Spotify Premium. Spotify Premium lets you play songs instantly on all your devices without ads, and even download your favorites so you can listen offline. Redemption fulfilled separately. You will also get 4 months of free YouTube Premium.